In this video, I'll be diving into Codey.ai, the brand new AI software that has just been released, and I'm going to share with you the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or just someone looking to leverage the latest AI tools, Codey.ai could be the game changer you're looking for. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to share some insights that will help you decide if this is the right fit for your needs. First things first, Codey.ai is designed to streamline the way you work with AI, focusing on simplicity and speed. It's a tool that lets you create code or generate solutions without the usual coding hassle. If you've always wanted an AI tool that can help you automate tasks, enhance your workflow, and simplify your daily operations, this might just be it. One of the most impressive features of Codey.ai is its ability to write code for you. It uses natural language processing to understand the commands you input and generates the code accordingly. This means you don't have to be a developer to start building custom solutions for your business. Simply tell Codey what you need, and it will create the code that makes it happen. Imagine the time and resources you could save by having this at your fingertips. Next up is Codey's ability to integrate seamlessly with your existing tech stack. You don't need to worry about compatibility issues. Whether you're working with CRM tools, email platforms, or project management systems, Codey.ai is designed to plug right in. This flexibility allows you to get more out of your current software without having to overhaul your entire system. Now, let's talk about its ease of use. Many AI tools can be overwhelming with complex interfaces and steep learning curves, but Codey.ai is user-friendly with a clean interface and an intuitive design. Whether you're a tech expert or a beginner, you'll find it easy to navigate and start using the software right away. This makes it perfect for businesses of all sizes, especially those without in-house tech teams. Another key feature of Codey.ai is its scalability. As your business grows, you'll need solutions that can scale with you. Codey.ai offers scalability that adjusts to your needs, ensuring it remains an asset regardless of the size of your operations. So whether you're running a small startup or a large enterprise, Codey.ai can keep up. The AI software also focuses on collaboration. You can share your work with team members or clients, and everyone can contribute to the project seamlessly. This collaborative feature is particularly useful for businesses with remote teams, allowing them to work together without any barriers. What sets Codey.ai apart from other AI solutions is its focus on automation. The platform automates repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on the more strategic aspects of your work. Whether it's generating reports, handling customer inquiries, or scheduling meetings, Codey can take care of the mundane tasks, giving you back precious time. Finally, let's talk about its free trial. Yes, you can try Codey.ai for free. That means you can experience all its features, see how it fits into your workflow, and decide if it's the right tool for you without any commitment. The link below gives you instant access to the free trial, so make sure to check it out. To wrap up, after trying thousands of AI tools myself, I can confidently say that Codey.ai stands out for its simplicity, power, and scalability. It's a tool that anyone, regardless of their tech background, can use to streamline their operations. If you're looking for an AI solution to enhance your workflow and save time, I highly recommend giving it a shot. If you're interested in other AI software options, I've included my top picks in the description below, all of which you can try for free. I've done the research, so you don't have to.